Hello friends, in this video we will see how do we create EC2 instance using AWS. For that you should have an account created in your AWS. So I have already created account and I have logged into my account. To create EC2 instance you have to click on services. Under services look for compute. Once you click on compute you will see EC2 option here. So click on EC2 and this will take you to a page, uh, EC2 global view page rather, which will have certain details, instances running, dedicated host, elastic IP, instances, volume, etc. As you see here, instance running is 0 because I don't have any instance running. I must have created and I have terminated them. Now to create a new instance, click on instance option. After that, click on launch instance. Once you click on launch instance, it will take you to another screen, rather a different page. Earlier we used to have tags. Basically the navigation was in a tabular format wherein we have 7 stages, but right now Amazon Web Services have changed the navigation wherein in a single page you will be giving all this information which is required to create an instance. So what I'll do, launch instance, under names give some name. So I can give my Linux instance. You can give any name. So this is basically a simple tag. So here I'm giving my Linux instance. Now since we are going to create a Linux based instance, so I'll be choosing this Amazon Linux here. But now if you want to create a Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, it's up to you. So you can choose any one of them. But here now, since we are going to create Amazon Linux based instance, so I'll select that one was already selected, right? And coming to instance type, wherein these are the basically Amazon machine images provided by Amazon. So as you see that these are the basically certain free tier eligible and certain are chargeable. So since now we this is a demo session, so I'll be choosing free tier. So I'll be creating a separate video in which I'll talk about the instance types, right? So this is basically a free instance. I've taken Amazon Linux 2 instance type. Now is a free tier. I've taken T2 micro. If you want to choose any other T2 medium, T2 large, you can do that, but that will be chargeable to you. Now since Amazon provide certain free hours, that is 750 hours per month under free tier, so we will be using this T2 micro free tier. Key pair login, this is basically when you want to connect to your instance securely, there is a key pair login. You can use some existing key pairs if at all you have created earlier, and you can create a new also. We'll create a new key pair here that will be used later on. So I'll show you how do we use it. Let's create a new key pair. Click on create new pair, give some name, and here I'll be using .ppk because so that I don't have to create this ppk file for my putty session, wherein I'll be using putty to connect to my Linux instance which we are going to create right now. So I'll use .ppk, create key pair. This will download a key. So make sure that you know the path where the key has been downloaded, because this will be used later on. So I'll just keep it under downloads, my Linux key pair.ppk file. We'll just keep it like this. We'll just come forward firewall security groups. This is basically a network firewall. If you want to allow a certain